Hello you guys, so I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible, but basically this is how by investing $5 a month your fifth great grandchild can be a billionaire. Okay, might seem crazy, but it's with the power of compound interest, anything is possible. Not really, anything within the mathematical realms of what it says is possible. But anyway, so we're starting off with the $0, and we're going to be adding $60 a year at 12 times a year, so that makes it $5 a month. Years to grow, I'm going to assume that you're 18 years old. And remember, we're putting money away into a brokerage account that makes 7% a year, S&P 500, just no work involved really. And let's say you do it from the time you're 18 to the time you're 60, right? This isn't even like your main savings. This is just, you know, chilling money. So, but then your kid, let's assume that you have your kid at 30 years old. That's what we're going to assume for all of our future family members. Your kid is going to pick up for 30 years. So for the next 30 years until he dies at 80, it's going to be 92. And then 122 for your grandkid, and then 152 for your great grandkid, and then 182 for your second great grandkid, and then 212 for your third great grandkid, and then 242, sorry about this, but for your fourth great grandkid. So once your fourth great grandkid dies, he can pass this money on to his to his son at the time. $18 billion. 18 billion with a B. That's Family Dynasty worthy, I think, you know. But anyway, so you have to assume a few things here, though. You got to assume, first of all, that the United States will stay around for that long, or at least some other whatever happens. Basically, your money can stay safe. You got to assume that 7% average. You got to assume that nobody in the family is going to take some money away or all of it during their life, which is very possible. But yeah, just for fun, I wrote this all down, so to make it easy to follow. And then I also wrote down $50 per month just for fun, which obviously just ended up being like 10 times higher, 185 billion. So yeah. But guys, if you put up the interest rate, it goes way higher. So if you teach your family like some good stock market tips or whatever, and they can make 15% a year, that'll obviously increase it greatly. And remember, you can use compound interest in your own lives. You don't have to build it for a family dynasty. You can just do it for yourself, hand off to your kids or something, or you know, when you retire. A lot of people do it. Start early, obviously, because the longer it is, like 62,000 to 18.5 billion in a few generations. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.